Hey, good morning guys and welcome to this new video. Today we are continuing the build on the birdcage. So let me just open the shed right in the back there and I'll see you guys then. So as you can see, the shed is quite big, quite messy around here. The reason is because I was already building the first panel for the birdcage yesterday evening, and I didn't quite, I left it behind like this, so it's quite messy, but we'll clean it up probably in about an hour. First I have to get something from the store, so I'll see you guys when I'm back. Okay guys, so I am currently back from the store. I purchased some tools to help me build this new birdcage. And currently I have been building for an hour, so something like this. Let me show you when I turn the camera around. Okay, so here we have the current status on the new birdcage. It's all made of really big parts, wooden frame, so it's quite steady. It can't go anywhere, and it's this tool I needed from the store, and this one right here. So yeah, that's currently, guys, so day 2, and I haven't done much on the cage yesterday evening, but we'll continue today with building it. I just made a new part for the birdcage. Let me show you. Just get around here. This is gonna be connected to this and this, the part here. So yeah, we'll see you after I got this one installed. Okay guys, so I just got this here installed, this panel here, and the wooden panel. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I could show you. Wait a second, let me show you. So I got this wooden panel here installed, so the panel behind it doesn't get dirty, so it's easier to clean up. Here I got this installed. I just ran out of a little space, so I had to improvise here, but it worked, so I'm really happy with that. And right now we are gonna get a second wooden panel to install underneath, and I think I'm gonna make it like this side here, exactly the same, just underneath it. guys. So I am currently driving in my car, to the store because I ran out of screws. So all the parts I wanted to install cannot be installed without screws. Just simply say it. So yeah, I'm currently getting new screws at the store, which I'm driving to right now, by the way. So I'll see you guys when I'm back home. Alright, so I just came back from the store and I got some storage boxes. First of all, I got the right screws I needed, and I got 2 packs of them. That should be enough, I hope, and otherwise I have to go again to the store. And I've got 3 storage boxes. These are perfect for the bird seed that I need to store. I want to store them above on the ceiling of the bird cage, so you can always access food and other stuff for the birds. So I got that, and yeah, let's go home right now. So I'll see you guys when I am home. So I am back at home and I checked the temperature on my aquarium, and apparently it's too hot. It's way too hot, the water for the fishes. So, and the lights give off some heat, so I hope that helps with cooling down the temperature in the water. And I turned everything off except for the filter, of course. Yeah, and I hope it's cooling down in a few hours. I hope so. Maybe not. So if it's not cooling down, I have to do drastic measures. So I hope this works. So yeah, let's continue with the bird cage. Okay, so I'm gonna continue with the new parts that I'm gonna install, and yeah, we'll see you guys when it's installed, the next part. So a few hours later, right now, it's a few hours later, so I had a lot of progress on the birdcage. So the birdcage itself is finished, and I'm really happy with the end results. It's kind of empty right now, but we'll fix that because I am currently working on decorations. I made a birdhouse. Let me show you right here. Here it is. A tiny house for the birds. I also made a ladder, which is going to be connected from the tiny birdhouse to the big house with a balcony. And I have some of these, which I'm gonna install, I hope, this evening, so I can finish the birdcage, but I don't know for sure yet. So yeah, I'll check in with you guys when this birdhouse is done. So I'm calling it a day for today. So because it's late, it's already getting late, and I think I'm just going to continue tomorrow. and I have done a lot in between these takes, and I'm really happy with the result I have so far. So that's really great, um, and I hope the birds will like it. So let me show you if I can just get in here. Okay, so here we have house number 1. We have a bridge that leads to the feeding house. As you can see, we have the bird snacks here. We have a stick to sit on. And yeah, that's currently it. All there is. That's currently all there is in this cake. But we will add a lot more tomorrow. I think tomorrow morning. But that's gonna be in a different new video. So if you are interested in the next few updates on the birdcage, make sure to subscribe down below. And that's gonna do it for today. So thank you for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a like down below, and yeah, we'll see you in a next video.